What?
Yo, fam, it's good.
Oh, snap, what gone?
Yeah, not much, man. Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
Some parcel came in for you still.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man. This parcel right here.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Oh, snap.
This thing here, I don't even know what it is.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Okay, let me just... Yeah.
Man.
Well...
Look at that. What is that?
I don't have a clue, bruv. Android Home.
What is that, a phone?
Don't know.
Andrew, what's that? Fam?
Android Home.
Yo.
Android
Yo,
Home. Hey guys, how you doing? It's DJ Magic J. Yeah. Box opening time. Yeah, shout out to Android Home. Where I don't know why they call themselves Android Home, but if I'm correct, these are the same three sneakers, trainers that my good friend Franklin Bolton, aka the King of Trainers, was reviewing online. It's a beautiful box.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you think?
Yeah, it's nice, man.
Android Home.
I never heard of it.
That's a weird name, isn't it?
Yeah.
Flipping hell.
I thought it was a phone.
Bro, I thought it was some big technology device, but okay.
Could be a pad too big for a phone, to be honest.
Yeah, true. Straight from California. Well,
Hey.
yeah, not California, but Los Angeles somewhere.
LA.
Okay.
Shout out LA.
Oh snap! You see this? Got the dust bag.
Oh, snap.
Put the kicks in.
That's cool.
It's got the name right here embroidered. Well, not embroidered, but it's printed. You get me?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And the
man.
dust bag. Oh shit! Authenticity.
Cool that.
See when you get a brand, when you get stuff sent to you, you have to come correct with the authenticity. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, this is the proper stuff. Like, you know. Oh gosh, look at the paper mesh inside.
Hey, that's it. Yo,
Yeah, that's bang.
that's banging.
Yeah. Okay, let's get to it.
Cool.
Thank you. Let's get to it. Oh my god, man. This is nah. Oh my god. Yo, this is Android Home. Was it Homme? Home? Homme? These
You got some sick trainers. Hey, what's the arrow like?
is pointing up.
Okay,
All the way
up.
You know what I'm saying? Look, the material is so beautiful. It's like, what would you class as this? This is suede. But what would you class this type of material as?
From what I can see, it looks like. I don't actually know. To be
Shiny
honest,
plastic.
plastic.
So
Yeah.
rubber. It's like a rubbery, shiny plastic. You got the gold right here where you put the laces through.
That's cool. Yeah.
You get me? The laces are different materials. Got right here on the tongue. This is actually an amazing sneaker. Oh, this is definitely an amazing sneaker. You know, the back
The back's it.
got the name of the company.
Oh yeah, look at that. I think it's suede by the looks of it.
Yeah, right here. It's like a shoe
All
trainer.
the way up.
It's like a. This is definitely. Let me get the other ones out. This is definitely. You got the side tags. High cross outsoles. This is an exclusive outsole. Is manufactured in Italy and it is finished with high gloss coating. Because though,
Yeah.
right, is the suede finish touch on the toe cap right here, and you know comes all the way around
Oh yeah.
and onto the back. But one thing, if you look into the tension and detail here, yeah, there's a crazy design. But the mad thing about it,
Yeah.
to me, it looks like the world.
Yeah, nah, it looks mad crazy.
It looks like the world, what we're
Look at
living in.
that. It looks crazy. You know what it reminds me of?
Mm,
Something like lacy, sexy.
yeah. This is something that you can wear at a wedding,
Yeah.
a christening,
Yeah.
on a date,
Yeah.
you know, to a ball.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This is something that you can
Wear it casual. Though.
Yeah, you can wear it casual. You can wear it with a suit.
Yeah.
But do you know what? I would rock it. I would rock it with one of those the smart trousers. What comes to your ankles?
Oh yeah. True. See.
Nice smart trousers. What come to the ankles? No socks.
Yeah.
Yeah. But make sure you cream your foot with cocoa butter.
Yeah.
Right. But this is one of
see.
those brilliant smart shoes. But do you know what I love the most about these?
Arrow. Yeah, that's it.
Right there.
It's cold. That was cold though.
You know what I'm saying? This is some amazing kicks, man. You know, shout out to Android Homme.
Android Homme. Let me see that. Yeah. I mean, that's Andre Homme. I think.
It is Android Homme. Yeah.
I think. But anyway.
That's the name of it.
Yeah.
Shout out to King of Trainers for reviewing these and allowing me to get gassed over these kicks. Big up to the Android Homme who I've been talking to, one of the team members on Instagram DM. I'm going to be putting all their details in the description, so you can just click one button and you can go straight to their website and straight to their Instagram. And these, if you want to know how much these cost, have a guess how much they cost.
I'm saying. Let me look at these things.
Don't look at them too much, they might blind your eyes.
It's really. Oh. The packaging.
The authenticity.
I'm giving it a long shot of saying about maybe a 2. I say 180 to 2.
This is about £265.
What?
People, think about it this way.
The quality.
You buy your Balenciagos, your Gucci's, yeah, all those designers for like £500.
Yeah.
This is only £265. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna put it in the description. I'm gonna put it right here, ding, somewhere, so you lot can go purchase these. This is an amazing company. Hopefully, I'm gonna be sitting down with the company owners and asking them why they set up this. Made these sneakers, these shoes. You know, inside of this got, you know, there's stuff this in there.
That's cool, yeah.
You know, look at that gold.
Keep that shape. That
gold. Who
sick.
doesn't like gold?
Gold all in my chain. Gold all in my ring. Gold all in my watch.
That's gold.
Oh, you have to love gold. So I'm keeping this back in there to keep the shape. You know, this has been the awesome show. These are Android Homme. And yeah, again, thank you for sending me these.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you, because I'm definitely gonna wear them in a special occasion, and I won't be wearing them on the street like I'm lavish. I'm not no celebrity. I'm a small guy, but thank you for sending me these, and hopefully I could get some more from you guys. This has been the awesome show, the awesome review show, I should say, with myself, Magic J. I just remember you like, subscribe, press that notification bell. If you want to see any other reviews or anything, just let me know.
Yo,
yeah?
G.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, you know what,
yeah?
I forgot to give you this parcel. You know
Oh, what's that now? What come now, bro?
You know what? There's 2 parcels here.
Yeah.
You know that? What they call the Android Homme.
Yeah.
So I gave you that one. I forgot to give you this one.
Oh, what's it? What's that? Oh shit! I see the emblem.
Jordan looking thing.
Oh snap! What, Jordan is coming to post?
Yeah, man.
Air Jordan 1 mids. Oh my gosh! Oh snap! What's his Royal Blues?
To be honest, I forgot. Not even that. I forgot to give it to you. I try to keep it for myself, but they ain't my size, so.
But how you trying to keep it for yourself,
I
bro?
know, fam. What can I say?
All right, okay, guys. Let's check these out now. You get what I'm saying? You see the paper already. You know it's about 23s. You know what I mean? Michael Jordan. Oh my god, bro.
Look at that room.
Bro, oh, are you taking the piss?
It's the trainers, man.
These
It's
are
like a
my-
magnet. I
these
swear,
are
man.
my
It's like a
colours,
magnet.
bro. Nah, you're taking a mick, bro. These are what? Nah, let me flip. Oh,
That is shine.
can I make its own bed? I want to make its own bed. Like,
That is
you
shine.
can't wear it. Oh my! Look at the colorway, bro. Look at the
cool.
colorway, guys.
Oh, the level.
The level on them.
Mad.
You can't go wrong with Jordans. You can't
No.
go wrong with Nike.
No.
Because of that, the colorways. It's like royal blue.
But you know, these are the mids, right?
Yeah, these are the mid. Oh
These
yeah,
are
the mids, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you prefer, mids or highs?
I'll be honest, I've never like owned a pair of Jordan 1s, so it won't make a big thing to me if mids or highs, but a lot of people go for the highs. But
But the mids look nice though.
that's what I'm about to say, the mids are
What
fire.
a beautiful colorway, and what is the asking price for these, by the way?
Well, this is the thing, from what I've been seeing,
Yeah.
basically the retail prices I think is like a bill basically.
Okay.
And then I look at StockX like the other day,
Yeah.
they're like 2 something now. So they're doing their thing,
Everything
even though
is
they're
on
the
here,
mids.
guys. As you see, you know, the colorway is banging, you know.
It's cold.
And you never know. If we don't want them, you can holler at us.
Yeah, man.
You can purchase it from us.
True.
Check out the Depop. I'll put in the information, you know, for the my cousin's Peter Jordan Depop. Air Jordans. You get what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
Cool.
You know? Got the ones right here.
Cool.
But you know what? Like, subscribe, press that notification bell. If you want to see some more videos, some more sneaker videos. If you're a sneaker designer and you want to send me some sneakers, send us some sneakers. Send everyone some sneakers. Well, me.
Yeah,
Please just hit me up. Don't be scared. I'll review your stuff.
sure.
So, like, subscribe, press that notification bell. Yeah. Until next time, Magic J, I'm out. Peace.